What's going on, people? It's your boy Elio Albelo from Best Deal Window Tint Orlando. Today we have this beautiful 2019 Maserati Levante. We're gonna be doing ceramic CTX 15% on the two front windows to match it to the back, and then after that we're gonna put our clear tint on the windshield, the air blue 80%. That's our top seller. You can book it on our website. It blocks up to 43% of the heat, 99% of the UV rays. Also, it blocks up to 88% of the infrared heat. Check it out. And here, people, is where the magic happens. Come in. Here we already have our preloaded patterns. I just have to pick it up and press cut over here. Align this here. Try to make it. Computers sometimes make it a little bit easier for me, but I want to do it manually. That way I don't waste much film. I press cut over here. And now our windows is clean. We razor bladed. We clean it with our soapy solution. Now we're gonna peel off the liner. And this is what the computer cut does. Here what you're seeing is me peeling off the excess that the computer cut. If you can come over here, you see the line here. And this is why we don't have to cut over your car, because the computer cut does it for us. Come over here. Here we have our edge aligned to the top. So first squeegee. Okay, now the doors are ready, installed. We always, on this type of cars, we always do the doors first, because we let them dry while we finish the tints on the windshield or whatever we're doing on the vehicle. Now we're gonna start prepping our windshield. We're gonna start doing the air blue 80%. I use the dryer sheets to create a soapy coat on the windshield to relieve the static on the film. That way it doesn't stick to the outside of the windshield. Right here. Windshield's right here in our computer cut system. We changed the raw film because we have the CTX 15. Here, I want to show you guys this. Look at in here. We only carry Lumar products. We don't change film brands. We don't do any of that stuff. When you come to our shop, you only get the best. All right, now we're gonna start doing our cleaning prep. The most important thing for us is cover the dashboard and the electronics on your vehicle. The way we do it, we put this microfiber towel and we squeeze the corner of this towel in this part of the windshield. That way the water don't go below that crack over there and damage your vehicle. Here I removed the easy pass. This is a brand new razor blade. We take it off and then we put it back on. It works good. Don't believe the myth. It works good. Here you go. Everything is safe. The glue is safe. Now, eraser blade. The glass. If I see the water dropping here, that's a good sign. There's no water going into the electronics. Here, you see the water dropping here on the microfiber towel? That is avoiding damage to your vehicle right here. Peel it off. I remove the excess of the film right here. There you go, and we're ready to install it now. Oh yeah, like we say in Puerto Rico, ese windshield quedó en la madre. Okay, we're finishing this. Our last clean. And now, check this out. Well, that's it guys. We just finished this two beautiful vehicles. One 2019 Maserati Levante. This beautiful 2018 Porsche Macan. Both in Lumar CTX 15 and air blue on their windshields. Remember, you can book your appointment online with us at www.bestdealwindowtint.com. Subscribe to our channel. Right here, subscribe today. Don't wait for tomorrow, subscribe today for more content. We're gonna be posting more videos frequently. Just subscribe today. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.